How to find sent follow requests on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to find sent follow requests on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right. From the menu, tap on Account Center. This is where you manage important account settings across Instagram and Facebook. Scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permissions. On the next page, tap on Export Your Information. This feature allows you to download specific data from your account. Once the page loads, tap Create Export. Here, you can select the profile you want to export the information for. If you have multiple profiles connected, make sure you choose the right one. After that, you will see two options for where to export your information. Tap on Export to Device. Next, scroll down and tap on Customize Information. By default, all fields will be selected. Deselect all of them and only select followers and followings. This is the data you need to see your sent follow requests. Tap on Save. If you want to narrow it further, you can also set a date range for the information by tapping here. Once done, tap Export, and Instagram will start preparing the data. When it's ready, you will get an email from Instagram with a download link. Open the link and download the file to your device. Inside, you will find details of your account activity, including the sent follow-up requests you've made. This way, you can know who you've requested to follow, but they haven't approved yet. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you're facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to find sent follow requests on Instagram.